Right then, Mark, shall we?
Let's. Talking of fuels, as it says on the back of that van, this is Mark and Si go for petrol, because I do need some petrol.
That's right, and we're just out riding with our Sena Intercom unit. So this is the Sena 50C in my case, which is the camera unit. And Mark, you are sporting the rather lovely Sena 60S, which is their new range for this year.
That is correct, and I am sporting the white fascia on mine, because it comes with a few fascias, different colours in the box. And I've got the white one, which matches my helmet on the side. Well, it matches part of my helmet, because my helmet is multicoloured, as you can see. So.
This road is a little bit gravelly.
Yeah, it's been kitty littered by the council, mate. I'm not saying anything on camera, but I was actually sticking to the speed limit at the moment in time.
Is that right?
Yes. So I'm up to 60 now, and I can still hear noises coming from my ears, which indicates that you're still there.
I am indeed.
I think it's the Harman Kardon system, isn't it, they got in this, because it's absolutely bang on, because it's really good quality audio.
Yes, that's right, and I mean that is obviously one of the advantages with using a name like that on the intercom system. They are very well known for their audio, and it does give you a bit of confidence as well when you're looking at an intercom system that such a high quality component is going to be used.
So, first impressions of the MT-07 then?
Yeah, this is the first one I've ridden. It is obviously a naked, so it's very, very light, and it's quite easy to sort of manoeuvre around, as I just did with that car behind us.
It's fairly compact, isn't it? It looks like a nice, light, easily manoeuvrable bike, as they say.
Yeah, I mean, obviously in that 40, we weren't really able to go around any corners at any decent speed, so handling-wise, it'll be interesting. But just swaying left to right as I am, it does feel very, very light and very agile, which is, of course, what it's designed for.
Very kind, gentlemen. I'll go around this side.
Recording.
And so, we've just got our fuel stop all sorted. Mark is all back up to full levels as we continue on. And we're heading towards the little village of Woodall Spa.
Ah, the pub is calling. Sadly, not when we're riding. I'm having no issues whatsoever hearing you, no matter what speed, which is great.
Yeah.
Oh, national speed limit. Okay.
And I'm enjoying the last few curves, just flowing around with this little naked MT. So I'm going to ease off the throttle now and let you pull away a little. And we'll see just how much you can hear. What you should hear is a bit of distortion as you go out of range. So when you hear that, shout out.
Yeah, and also when we get back to Horncastle itself, if you go back to the mock-up, and I will carry on going home, we'll see how far away I get before it cuts out, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's not breaking up.
Yeah.
It's now starting to break.
Yeah, there it goes. So that's a fair distance away. And I'll just speed back up.
See you, fella. I can't see you.
Yeah, that was a good mile, I'd say. I think it actually says about 1.2 miles you should be able to do. And I'm just catching up with you now as you come into that corner. Test that little 700cc engine to catch up with you there.
It's got a nice growl, that engine, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's a very nice little purr to it.
Have you ever noticed when you're trying to record something for social media, when you've got a full-faced helmet on, it's very difficult to speak clearly when your cheeks are being squeezed. Oh, that food smells so good.
That's just because you're hungry.
I'm always hungry.
When I get back, I should say, to the office, I'm I've abandoned Jono, who's fitting a Shad top box and rack to a Suzuki for our ride out that we're doing on Saturday, so that'll be a video you'll see in the future.
I don't know whether you can look in that general direction, but you've got the Lincolnshire Wolds coming up on the horizon.
It was a nicer view over to the right, looking down at those fields and the open country, whereas on the left it was just a field.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna see if yeah, I'm gonna go over.
Well, I'm going to be heading right. After that decision making on your part, you know, I'm getting used to your age and stuff. But as you're going straight on, I'm going to abandon you. So, you know, I can do this.
Oh, cheerio. It's a